Hello, good morning, dear kids. Mr. Barham is again with you for having another lesson in your phonics books. Dears, I hope you are all having a great time. Can't wait to see you back to school. So if you are ready, please let's get started.
For today we will study two pages, page 7 and 8. On page 7 we will have beginning and ending sounds just like the previous lesson. And then on page 8 we will have short vowel a. Short vowel a. Please bring your books because it's time to start. Here on page 7 we have only one exercise just like before. It says, say the name of each picture, write the missing letter or letters to complete each word. That means it's a must. We should say the name of all the pictures we have on this page. Then we have to listen to their beginning and ending sound. After that, we have to write the missing letters. Here in the first one we have the first picture is the first picture is can. The first picture is can. Can. Which letter do we use for making K sound? Oh yeah, it's true. Letter C. So we have can. 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 The beginning sound is K. Then we have here, we don't have the beginning and the ending letters. That means two letters are missing. That means we should find beginning and ending sound for this picture. First we have to know what is this. Yeah, it's a map. 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 The beginning sound for map is m. Yeah, of course it's true. And the ending sound is p. Map. 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 The ending sound is p. Then we have this cute animal. What is this? You all love it, yeah? Yeah, it is a dog. 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 Which letter is missing? I mean, which beginning or ending sound? Which one is missing? Yeah, the ending sound is missing. Which is what? Dog? Yeah, it is g. And for making g sound, we use letter G. Yes, dog. 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 Again, we have another animal which is quite common. It's common, yeah? This animal is what? You all know it, yeah? It is a pig. 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 Here again, as map, both beginning and ending sounds are missing. Both letter, the beginning and the ending letter. So you have to find them both. The beginning letter is what? The beginning sound is what? P. P. So we use letter P to make P sound and letter G again as dog to make G sound. Pig. 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 And then here we have top. Yes, it's top. 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 The beginning sound for top is what? T, of course. We use letter T to make T sound. T. Top. Top. After that we have this. What is this? Yeah, it's a bed. 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 Here we don't have the ending sound. The ending sound for bed, let's listen to it very carefully. Bed. Bed. Yeah, D sound. We use letter D to make D sound. Then we have, after that we have this for cooling ourselves when we get hot. Yeah, it is a fan. 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 The beginning letter, the beginning sound for fan is, yeah, it is F. It is F. F. We use letter F to make F sound. Then we have the ending sound. The ending sound for fan, yeah, it is N. fan, fan, fan. It was time to write the both letters. Fan, fan, fan. The final one, the last one we have is ham. Do you like ham? Some of you may like it, some others may not. Ham, ham here again as fan, pick, and map. We don't have the beginning and the ending letters, the beginning and the ending sounds. For the beginning sound we have letter H sound H, letter H sound H. Then for the ending sound we have ham, we have letter M, letter M and sound M, sound M. So let's write them. Ham, yes, ham, ham. So before we end our lesson for today, we should read all the words once together. The first one, can, k, n, can, can. Then we have map, map, map. After that we have dog, dog, dog. Also we have pig, pig, pig. Top, top, bed, bed, bed. Then we have fan, fan, fan. The final one, the last one is ham, ham, ham. Sorry, our lesson is not finished yet because we still have page 8 as we said at the beginning, which is
short vowel a, short vowel a. Here on page 8 it asks us to connect all the pictures whose names have the short a sound from the cat to the back. That means from the cat to the back we have to connect all the pictures, all those pictures which have short vowel a in them. So first we have to read them out, then those pictures which have the same short vowel a in them, we'll connect them by drawing a line. So let's get started. The first one we have, what is this? Yeah, it's a cat, cat, cat. Do you have short vowel a in cat? Of course we do. K, a, t, cat, cat. Then we have hand, hand. Do we have short vowel a in hand? H, a, n, d. Yes, we have hand, hand. So you have to connect them like that from the cat to the hand. After that we have fly, fly. Do we have short vowel in fly? Fly. Let's listen to it very carefully. Fly, fly. No, we don't. So you are not going to connect the hand to the fly. Let's go this way. We have what? We have bat, bat, bat. Yes, of course. In bat we have short vowel a, b, a, t, bat, bat. So you have to connect it from the hand to the bat. After that we have another picture which is a map, map. Yeah, in the previous page we said we have short vowel a in map. So let's say together, map, map, m, a, p. So that's why we have connected it to the bat, hand and the cat. After that we have, yeah, it's can, can, k, a, n. Do we have short vowel a in can? Yes, of course, k, a, n, k, a, n. So let's connect it to the map. But why didn't go this way? Because this picture we have, it's a what? It's a soap, soap. We don't have short vowel a in soap. That's why we didn't go this way. We came that way. We didn't go that way. We came this way. So let's go to the next picture, which is, yeah, it's a flag. 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 Do you have short vowel a in flag? Let's say it. F, l, a, g. Yes, flag. Flag. So you have to connect it. After that, we have hat. Hat. Maybe this hat is for this man. Perhaps. Who knows? Let's say hat. Hat. Do you have short vowel a in hat? Of course we do. Hat after the sound. Ha. Hat. So we have to connect it to the flag. After that, after the hat, as we say, maybe this hat is for this man. Maybe this is the man's hat. So we have what here? We have man. Man. In man also we have short vowel a. Man. 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 Let's connect it to the hat. Then the last one we have is bag, because the exercise said from the cat to the bag. The last one that means we have is a bag. We have short vowel a in bag. 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 So please draw a line just like I have done from the cat to the bag. Dear kids, thank you for listening. This was today's lesson. Goodbye. See you next time.